Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Toyota Celica here on a 2004 plate, as you can see right in front of you. What I'm doing is I'm doing a position lamp on this. You can call it a parking lamp, side bulb, parking bulb, position bulb. Now this one here, that's what we're replacing. I'm going to show you how it's done. Could you switch the light off for me, please? Now on the passenger side here, it is quite easy to do. But on the driver's side, which is this one here, all you got to do is you got to remove the panel here, which you've got to grommet here and here as well. Here as well. You got one here and then one there as well. So all you got to do is remove them. This whole thing comes out, and then your headlight would be something like this on the other side. To do the bulb, it's just this one right here. You twist that to your left. You saw, that's right, that's left. Pull the whole thing out, and that's the bulb right there. Right, I've got the bulb. It's a 501 bulb. You can find the bulb in the description, you know where to get it from as well if you did want one. It's a capless bulb, you can see right there. So all you do, take the old one off, put the new one on, and then I'm just going to slot it through the hole. Now the hole is just right there, as you can see there. So I'm going to slot it through the hole and then twist that to my right. Now we're just going to check, see if it's working. Can you switch the lights on for me, please? Just a position. That's it. That there is working, as well as this as well. Like I said, you know, for this one, just do what you got to do. And then this one is a quite simple procedure. Now with this headlight, I'm going to advise the customers, you can see they put a wooden block there and the headlight unit is broken as well. So I will advise the customer to get a new headlight for this. Now if you did want to replace the indicator bulb, which is right here, that's the plug socket, that's the socket right there, which you twist to your left, pull the whole thing out, twist to your right, put the bulb in, and you can find on our store for the indicator bulbs as well as the 87 bulb for the main dip bulb. And yeah, that's it. Right, that's all done. That's all it was. If there is anything else you need to know, just comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.